back. I did get my MAMBI shipment for me and my big ideas box. Thank you so much. Let me go ahead and break on into this real quick. I have a few minutes to actually do this. Guide. Cause get a Hey Babe, happy looks good on you. They always include a sticker. And then I got a coupon code for purchase card, and these are the ladies here. Sweet. Oh my gosh, wow. So I love these things. These are like the donut ones, a happiness and coffee. Straight legit. All right, so from what I understand, this is new stuff that just came out. I don't even know where to start. This would be adhesive pockets. Keep it all together. So it's just peel and stick. So I will go into depth of what they actually look like after I show you guys exactly what's all in here. Here is a new book that they have out. It's 819 pieces called Squad Goals. And it's so cute. So I'll definitely go on the inside to show you guys. And this is on me and my big ideas. And then I got some more of these. This is for the holidays, which I don't mind at all. And this is some Celebrate pins, deco pins. Okay, so this is new. It's a Happy Planner stickers / washi tape. So it's a sticker book. It's a washi tape sticker book. Let me show you guys on the back. I don't know if you can see it like this. So I'm definitely going to open it out of the package because this is a new product and I don't even know what to say. Down here, oh my god, are different little sticker books. Sticker pad, holidays and seasons. You get 37 pieces. And then the next one is Fun Florals and 35 pieces. And this one is Make Things Happen, 36. Bold and Bright, 35. And Lovely Pastels, 35. So I'll definitely go ahead and break the tape on these and show you guys a little bit further on what's going on in here, as well as this one. And these little guys, that's a new book. We all love new books. 4,181 pieces of sticker goodness. There's 30 sticker sheets here, and it is a bunch of letters, numbers. If I would read. So alphabet. Just, did you hear that with my kitty? Secondly, this is the new one that's out. It's called Squad Goals. You get 819 pieces. So let's break on in the first time. I'm curious to see what this is about as well. So these are cute. R&R. Did see a memory planning new planner that has this on the front. That my goal is to get it, but it seems to be sold out. But it has little ladies here. Cutie. I love this, especially for the spring and oh wow, look at this. They're swimming in donuts. Little unicorn. You get 2 of those pages. Let me not lie. Maybe it's 3. Then you get some remembers and the little page flags, glasses, and then I love the weekend with some palm trees. This super girly, super cute. Oh, I just seen some more pages that I like. Yay! Look at this. How cute. Definitely will be using these. And some flowers. Gotta love some flowers. Look at these noted with the little girls all the way down. Let me see. Then we have some grass. And then these you could definitely do with the bites. I see we're going into the fall. So this appears to be the fall. Sorry, I have a kitten that's in the background meowing. And then more fall. It's like fall. It's like we're just getting out of winter. And I'm like looking at fall stuff like, whoa. But it's definitely cute. Look at that. And you get 2 pages of the ladies. And then some more fall goodness. And then some errands. Remember to buy. I'm losing it. Some more flowers. And then your winter. Definitely, of course, next year. Super cute. And then you have snow angels and sledding. So you get 2 pages of those. Here we go. Here. And then you have your little Christmas tree. More winter colors. Some holly. And some snowflake little borders. And that is it for this book. So again, this is the new book that just came out the other day. Again, this is the Squad Goals book. Next up is by looking at what I got. There are, I think, 5 different packs of these. So this is actually a new product release as well. This is 393 pieces of the Happy Planner sticker washi tape book. So yeah, this is a washi tape book now, which I love washi tape. You guys all know I love the washi tape. Okay, so washi. Let me turn it to the side here. So this is the girl collection. And usually just washi stickers. So you have at the top, you have some today's stickers, some short washi tape, I guess to go along your border, and then a little bit longer. Just flip through real quick. Yeah, I think there's like 5 different ones on that website. I'm not mistaken. Then you have these. I definitely love these colors. They're super sassy, and they fit your girl well. And then Life's a Party. Different ones with the little slippers. These. I definitely like that they put these washies in a sticker book. It's really easy. I don't even know. I really like this design. You guys did awesome. Because can't go wrong with some washi. So yeah. Don't forget to go ahead and check that out. New product release for this. Here is also a new product release. There are 2 sets. So this one here, there is another one as well. What you do is you pull off the little white part, like just like an envelope. Those fancy envelopes. And you just stick it on your planner. So it ends up being like a pocket for you to put like papers or money or whatever that you want in it. So this one is polka dots. This one is the white and black stripe with the gold heart. And then this one is a sassy, if I can get it, multicolor pocket. Like I said, they do have another pack of designs too, different colors. So I was sent that one, which is great. These, there are, looks like there's 3 of them in here, which I've grown to love these things. So I'm so appreciative of these little things here. So close and personal, it's the donuts, the happiness, and then the little coffee. Again, this one, and then this one, which is holiday. And these little guys here are definitely a part of the new release that they put out with the washi tape books and the new sticker book. I guess I'm saying the word and. So these are all of them. There is a total of 5. Let me go one by one. And of course it does have the little sticky thing like always. It does not have the little band like a sticker book does, but hey, that's okay. All right, so this is a sticker pad. Lovely pastels. And then I'll just go through these really quick so you guys can get an up close personal look of like what's inside, because I don't think that the side actually shows you what's inside of these. Just in case you were interested in buying them, at least you can say, oh, I want that particular one, so you know. So I'm just gonna skim through these really quick. Super colorful. Loving it. I love everything from MAMBI. Oh, I think I skipped one here. This one. Definitely love this. It's super cute. And as you can see, it's like the holographic, if that's the right word for some of those letters. Like whimsical, like unicorn. Here. And then a big one. It's like a little envelope. And then this pretty little thing here. So that is that one. The next up is called Make Things Happen sticker pad, and this is 36 pieces, and this other one was 35 pieces. So this one's 36. One here. You go, girl. Don't quit your daydream. Just gonna flip through here real quick because there are 3 more to go. Lips, kind heart, fierce mind, brave spirit. Super pretty. More stickers. Your girl loves stickers. And washi. Look at that with the eyelashes. Work, 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 work. Cheers. Coffee, shop, talk, repeat. Cute. Pretty little colors. Sleep. She who dares wins. And that's the end of that one. These are so cute. They're like the width a little bit wider than my iPhone 8 Plus. Like wider this way. Like wider this way. Alright, you guys, new setup. So I wanted to try something. Now I have both of my hands. So I'm actually using the DSLR camera. So on with this unboxing. And my battery is a flipping, flashing red. So I'm going to have to make this pretty quick. Let me open up this one here. Alright, so this one is called Bold and Bright. Super fun. So I'm just going to do a flip through real quick of the different ones. Look how cute these are. And the little moments. I like that they put these all, they kind of took them out of the big sticker book here, and they kind of just labeled them down as the little books. That was a really good idea. So there are 5 in total from what I'm reading. So these are the 5. Let's see. I definitely want to get the rest of those washi tape sticker books, because those are like amazing. Good times. Look at this one with the gold foil. Pretty. And that's the end of that one. Again, my camera would focus. The next one here is a Fun Florals. There we go. Alright, so Fun Florals is the next one. Oh, forget the tape here. Okay, let's go to florals. Hopefully we can do this. Alright, so the best day today. You know I'm going to use half these books, right? Or most of them really quickly because they're so pretty. Look at that one with the gold foil. Isn't that pretty? And the pretty yellow for spring. And I'm really liking this blue. I'm really not a blue type person, but I'm really feeling the blue lately. And look at this, how pretty. Super pretty. Look at that. Foil. And then this. I'm trying to do this. It's like a race against time, you guys, because that battery is flashing on me. And here is other one. Look at that one. Look at pretty pink. And then floral. And then that is the end of that one. And then finally is this one. This is called Holidays and Seasons. So this one has 37 pieces here. And let me just pop this one on open. I'll pop a nail off first. I love anything holidays and seasons. So this one is drink hot chocolate. And there again, there's some blue. Here. Silver. Pink. Then we're getting into Valentine's Day, of course. Oh, look at the St. Patrick's. I gotta definitely remember to use those. St. Patty's is coming up. And then here. And lemonade for summer. 4th of July. Sunshine on my mind for summer. And then hello fall. Super cute. It's fall, y'all. That's what it says. Then we have some Halloween. And then we have Grateful Heart, which is some more fall. Yep. So I wanted to let you guys know that if you are new to my channel, then there is a giveaway in the description box down below. So go ahead and click the subscribe button to my channel, as well as in the description box you can click on the link. It'll take you on over to the giveaway, and go ahead and enter the giveaway. It is for a $100 Visa gift card. So yeah, don't forget to go ahead and enter. And this is the wrap up of the little book and the MAMBI packaging that I received. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned, there's going to be more video, more content. As always, guys, stay blessed, stay definitely warm, and I will see you guys later. Bye.